video, I'm going to show you how Travis Greene used the 6-7-1-2-3-4 chord progression and how you can use it in church. If you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this in church this Sunday, okay? So let's start with the beginners. All things are working for my good. He's intentional, never failing. So we go 6. All things are working. 7-1. He's intentional. 2-3-4. Okay. All right, so let me slow that down. 6. So we're in the key of C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your bass hand is basically 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. All things are working. 6, 7, and then 1 for my good. Yeah. He's intentional. 2, 3, 4. So now let's go to the intermediate. Things are working for my good. It's still the same progression, you just adding more notes because your chords are more beefier. He's intentional. 2, 3, 4. Do that one more time. Let me slow it down. All things 6 are working for my 7, 1. Good. He's intentional. 3, 4, okay? So really, I'm not really gonna do much with the advanced as far as for anything crazy or fancy. I'm just gonna raise the intensity and show you how to play it better. So, 1, 2, 4, and then 6, 7, 1, 2, 4, and I'm bouncing with suspended chords. Build up. About playing advanced is, I will say this, it's not always the movements, it's not always playing something with sweet chords and sweet licks, but 100% of the time, I will tell you this, that means nothing if you can't play the song the right way. And when I say play the song the right way, what I mean is if you can't execute the song. And I'm not saying play it note for note or chord for chord, just like the album, but you got to be able to actually get the job done. You know, that's more advanced than any other movement or chord progression or lick or anything you can ask for. But listen, if you want to learn my full system, I have a program called Gospel Piano Made Simple, and it is basically a 7-day trial for $1, and after that, it's only $10 a month. If you want to learn how to play gospel keys by ear, go ahead and click that link in the bio or in my comments, and I'll see you on the other side.